Tapp is based in Napa Valley, close to the winery customers, and as such, we're able to service their needs on a face-to-face, one-to-one basis, predominantly with our digital offset label solutions. In addition to wine labeling, we also service food packaging applications, pharmaceutical applications, and nutraceutical, as well as health and beauty. We found that the digital printing platform has been able to satisfy a multitude of solutions, whether it be consecutive numbering, unique graphics, and variable imaging. Today, it represents over 15% of our corporation's revenue, and the revenue is growing at double digits year over year. Tapp purchased its first WS4000 in early 2003, followed by our second press in the same year. We purchased the presses to complement our existing technologies. We also recognized at the time that the largest population of the wine industry was being underserved. And we felt that with this technology, we could bring a super premium quality label to a segment of the market that did not have that option prior. When we initially brought the technology on board, the thought was to migrate existing business onto the press, smaller runs that were less economical on our other platforms. That was fine for a while, but we realized that the press had a solution that a large number of customers that we were not doing business with could benefit greatly from. And so it really forced us to look out into the marketplace and understand their needs and how that meshed together with the HP Indigo press.
We have an open invitation for designers to visit our facility to review their designs, and we can point out any production-related issues before we even make it to the press. We also work with designers where we will actually print press proofs on our press on the substrate that the labels will ultimately be printed on, so that they can see the final product before it's manufactured. And that gives us great power and great strength over our competitors. Printing on a digital press, we can actually print sequential images or variable data. One example would be the red project that we printed for St. Francis Winery. Well, they worked with a designer, his name was Jeffrey Caldaway, and he came up with the red splotches on a black background, so each bottle that's within the case is a different label on that bottle of wine. Initially, we started out with 200,000 digital labels, and last year we printed well over 2 million. This campaign proved to be very successful for St. Francis Winery. Another success story that we have with variable imaging, a brand called Banknote, where the designer is more interested in developing a brand and selling it to a larger winery than actually making the wine himself. And what he did is he took 12 pre-Civil War banknotes that was currency issued by banks, and he developed that into a series of 12 different wine labels. In September of 2007, Tapp had the distinction of winning 2 HP Indigo First Place Awards at Label Expo in Brussels. We won first place for the Sunny California label from Artiste Winery, and first place for special finishing for the St. Francis Artisan labels. We're very happy to represent these wineries on a global basis, and we were the only company in the world to win first place in 2 categories. I'm very proud of that.
I think digital printing will have a significant place in packaging applications for the long-term future. I think that there'll be more customization, and there will continue to be a demand for premium packaging, whether it be labels, shrink wrap, and other packaging substrates.